Large-scale ocean oil spills pose a threat to both marine life and human health. In one such case, the Deepwater Horizon oil spill, some 4.9 million barrels of oil were released into the Gulf of Mexico. In this case, a small percentage of this was burned, and even lesser percentage was skimmed and recovered, but the vast majority of it was simply spread throughout the marine environment using toxic chemical dispersants. Large-scale oil spills like these require a rapid response to deal with the amount of oil involved before it can do irreparable harm. Our lab is focused on creating new and useful materials from waste and renewable products. One such material we made is a sponge-like rubber made from sulfur, a byproduct of the petroleum industry, and used cooking oil. Our material is able to bind to oil rapidly and remains floating on water, and once collected, it can also be squeezed to then recover the oil. We hope this research will provide an inexpensive, scalable, and environmentally friendly new method of dealing with oil spills in the future.